guys, it's Taylor. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I did this bun. It was very easy and I'm pretty sure you'll be able to do it too. So if you just follow steps and watch the video, you will know how to do this bun. It's not that bad, isn't it? If you're new to my channel, hello, my name is Taylor. I make hair videos, fitness videos, and lifestyle videos. I also have a vlog channel. You can check that out. It will be in the description. And if you enjoy this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope it was helpful and you were able to do the bun as well if you ended up doing it. If you're just watching it to watch it, I hope you enjoyed it too. My social medias, I just made a new Instagram account for my YouTube updates, so if you want to follow that one, that'll be in the description box. The name I'm unsure about, so I might end up changing it, but as of right now, it's like right here. As of right now, this is what it is, and I'm probably gonna keep it for right now. I just said right now like 4 times. Anyways, follow my Snapchat, my Instagram, all of those if you want. Thank you for watching.